Well, let me ask you a question, Betsy, because you've given us some really helpful tips. And I'm curious to know if there's somebody and they're like, I am totally not creative. I don't know staging. I don't know home designing. I don't have an eye for it. I don't know what center and off center means. How does somebody go about hiring you to come in and help them fix their space and get it ready to sell? How does that work?
So there's a few different ways. You can have us consult, which means we'll come to the space, we'll give you ideas on how to rearrange your current furniture, what pieces you need to buy, where they should go, how big they should be, kind of giving you that punch list. And then you go make it happen, which is truly the affordable way to do things. But it is a lot of elbow grease. I mean, I literally devoted so much time that I was taking away from work to make this happen. And it was not fun. It was not easy. When you're doing it for somebody else, the emotional component is not there. And you can lean in to the fun of transforming a space and making it so aspirational and different than it's ever been. When it's your space, there's a lot on the line. When it's your money, there's just a lot of emotion wrapped in. So I do think it's better, if you can, to hire somebody to implement all those changes, to not just get that honey-do list, but to have that honey-done space, right? Where you hire the interior designer who has the appropriate handyman, who has the appropriate painter, so it's an all-in-one solution. Now, it is more expensive, and the price is truly customized to the square footage of the space and what the space will need. But I tell you what, it makes a huge difference. I'm so glad that we painted inside and out and I didn't do any of it, right? Like I hired my team that I work with. I hired my handyman. I was the one shopping. I was the one styling. I was the one creating the ideas. But my team was the one who was actually doing that intensive labor. And if you don't have a team, pay an expert to bring their expert.